In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create realistic moisture effect in Photoshop. First, open Adobe Photoshop with your two images, your main product image, like a can, and a separate image that shows a nice, crisp moisture or water droplet texture. Having both files ready will make the process smooth. With your product image active, head to the menu bar at the top, click Select, and choose Subject. Photoshop will analyze the photo and automatically select your main object. It's a great starting point, but it's usually not perfect, so switch to the Quick Selection tool in the left toolbar. Carefully refine the selection edges by brushing along the outline of the product. Zoom in and adjust your brush size as you go. You're aiming for clean edges, especially around curves and highlights. Once the selection looks solid, press Ctrl J to duplicate the selection onto a new layer. This creates a copy of just the selected subject on its own transparent layer, which is important for the next step. Now open your moisture texture image. Drag it onto the can document and drop it above the layers. Make sure the moisture layer is on top so it covers the can. Use the corner handles to scale and position the texture so it fully covers the product. Then commit the transformation by clicking the check mark at the top. The goal is to have the droplets evenly spread over the object. In the Layers panel, right-click on the moisture layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. This makes the texture conform exactly to the shape of the duplicated can layer beneath it, so the moisture doesn't spill onto the background. Next, change the blending mode of the moisture layer. At the top of the Layers panel, where it says Normal next to Opacity, click and switch it to Overlay. This blends the highlights and shadows of the droplets into the product surface, creating a natural, realistic wet look without hiding the original details. If the effect feels too strong, a small reduction in the layer's opacity can help tone it down while keeping the realism intact. Take a moment to compare the before and after by toggling the moisture layer's visibility. You should see the product transform from dry to convincingly dewy. And that's it. You can see the finished result from before to after. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.